I'm about to drop a bombshell on AI that will make you rethink everything you thought you knew about making money. Trust me, you want to stick around for this if you want to get rich in 2023. You see, while every business YouTube channel out there is sounding the alarm, warning us about how AI will uproot our lives and leave us all in a state of panic, let me tell you, they've got it all wrong. Well, sort of. Here's the deal. There are 3 core components you absolutely need to wrap your head around to avoid being left behind in the AI revolution. First, we'll dive into the AI revolution itself and understand its crazy implications. Then we'll explore how AI will have actual tangible impacts on the real world. And finally, I'll show you how you can actually make big bucks with AI the right way. Now, before you dismiss AI as just another turning point in history, let me remind you of something that's pretty mind-blowing. Think about all the crazy turning points in history up until this point, like the invention of the plow or the printing press. They didn't completely change the foundations of farming or the nature of information itself. They just built on what was already there. Even the internet, while it's revolutionary, only let traditional businesses extend what they were already doing, just online. But AI is different. For the first time in human history, AI has taken something unique to us, our skills, and transformed them into a product. This huge shift happened around November 30th, 2022, when tools like Chat GPT made AI accessible to everyone. Now, anyone, and I mean anyone, can use the power of AI for better or worse, depending on their skill level and ability. Now, you just have to ask yourself, are you going to seize the opportunity or get left behind during this AI revolution? In the world of tech, there's this thing called Moore's Law. It says that the number of tiny parts called transistors on a computer chip doubles every 2 years. Basically, it means that computers keep getting more and more powerful at a crazy fast rate. Now, combine that rapid growth with AI models that can learn on their own, and you've got endless possibilities. AI can do incredible things. But here's the thing. The biggest obstacle we face with AI isn't actually the technology itself. It's really our ability to ask it the right questions. It's the prompts that we give tools like Chat GPT. We're the ones holding it back, like a speed limit on a race car. And here's a big question for you. How will we control and manage AI? It's a hot topic because AI has amazing potential, but it also comes with some big challenges. Important leaders have warned us about the dangers of AI. Even the CEO of ChatGPT's OpenAI admitted that some robots might harm humans. It's a lot to think about. Now, let's dive into the real-world applications of AI. It's important to separate the short-term effects from the long-term ones. The truth is, we can't predict where AI will be in 10 years. Some people speculate about flying cars and brain implants, but honestly, those things are hard to predict and it seems pretty unbelievable right now. Instead, let's focus on the near future. Will everything crash and burn? No. Will some people be replaced by AI? Absolutely. The key is to make sure that you don't become replaceable. In fact, if you know how to use AI wisely, you have a golden opportunity to increase your value like never before. And I'm going to show you what those opportunities are in just a moment. But first, let's tackle a hot question. Who will AI replace? It's funny how a few years ago, everyone believed that physical labor jobs would be the first to go, followed by white-collar professions and eventually even the creative industry. Well, the tables have turned. What once seemed impossible is now happening right before our eyes. AI is passing humans in areas we thought were deeply rooted in human creativity. In fact, just a few months ago, an AI outperformed humans in a fine arts competition. AI companies are sprouting up everywhere, and they're all gunning to replicate the work of doctors and lawyers. And eventually, who knows when, they might actually succeed. Now, here's the burning question. How can you use AI to your advantage and make a ton of money? You see, technology might replace jobs in the short run, but where one door closes, another opens and leads you to fresh opportunities. But here's the catch. These opportunities won't last forever. That's why it's important to seize them while they're still within reach. When we talk about incorporating AI into your business, we're actually talking about leveraging its power. Leverage means maximizing your output without straining yourself with excessive input. Basically, less effort for more results. And let me tell you, AI takes leverage to a whole new level. But here's the mind-blowing part. Now, anyone can tap into that leverage. AI has democratized the game. So let me take you through 3 ways you can use AI to get rich. And if you want to see more awesome ways to make money online using the best tools and methods out there right now, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it. Let's talk about the first way you can use AI to make more money. If you run an agency, AI can be a game changer for you when it comes to communication. Imagine spending 2 hours a day writing emails. Well, with AI, those emails can practically write themselves and you just need to give them a thumbs up. Just like that, you'll save a ton of time. But AI goes beyond email writing. Let's say you run a paid traffic agency. Tools like Jasper can generate ad copy for you. All you have to do is test and validate it. And AI can generate product photos and other images you need. This streamlines the whole process. What used to require a team and days of work can now be done in just a few hours. Now, you might wonder if it's a sad thing that people might lose their jobs because of AI. Well, don't worry. There will always be a need for that final human touch, that human sign-off. Just as companies use AI to cut costs, you can use AI in your own business to achieve more. It's a win-win situation. Now let's dive into our next point, content creation. If you're a content creator or a copywriter, AI is about to become your secret weapon. It opens the doors to an unlimited number of ideas. Say goodbye to those frustrating creative blocks. With AI, you have everything you need to kickstart the process. As a writer, you can use AI to build the skeleton and framework of your content, and then you simply fill in the blanks. Imagine this. If you used to handle only 10 clients, now you can probably double that to 20 thanks to the power of AI. It's a game changer. AI software is popping up in all areas of content creation. Take Adobe, for example. They've just released an AI that lets you edit photos by typing directions. And trust me, it won't be long before similar software comes out for video editing. That means anyone can edit photos in ways that only a small number of skilled people could do before. The skill has been productized and the possibilities are endless. Now, you might wonder, why isn't everyone using these tools if they're so easy? Well, let me tell you a simple truth about us humans. We're lazy. We're creatures of comfort. Even with all this new access to information and skills, many people simply won't take action. They'd rather stick to their old ways, unwilling to embrace the power of AI to build businesses and make money. But you have the opportunity to rise above the rest. Don't let laziness hold you back. If you combine the incredible potential of AI with your own abilities, you'll be shocked at what you can accomplish. So stop overthinking and just do it. It literally cannot get any easier with AI by your side. Let's move on to our third way of making money with AI, especially if you're a consultant or a coach. Here's the deal. AI can become your best friend in this field. Even Microsoft has jumped on the AI train with their new product called Copilot. It's designed to complement their suite of products and make your life easier. So picture this, you're meeting with a client. Well, the AI will transcribe your notes and give you a summary of the key points and action items. Need to create a presentation? The AI will whip up PowerPoints based on those action points and even customize them to match your client's branding. And if you have an Excel analysis to do, don't worry, because the AI can handle that too. Tasks that used to take hours or even days can now be completed in just a matter of minutes. The time you can save is mind-blowing. Now, here's the truth. You're standing at the door of a golden opportunity. The choice is yours. Will you seize it or let it pass you by? Remember, we're at that sweet spot in time where anyone can use AI to make money, but not for long. So what will you do? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.